All right, Harrison. So today we're doing a video on these waffle shoes right here. And what we have to do is we actually have to get these waffle shoes, here wife. We actually have to get these waffle shoes dirty. That's the whole objective of this video, Harrison. Is that silly?
Yeah.
So in order to get these dirty, I figured since they're waffles, we'll make waffles out of them. We'll use flour and we'll put the flour in here.
Mama, can I have some waffles?
You want real waffles?
For breakfast we can.
Can I have now?
Whether you're gonna make
We have corn coming in.
corn and beans and chicken.
We're gonna take flour. Oh, we're wasting the good flour. Keep going, the whole thing. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're making super waffles.
Okay.
That's enough. That's enough.
Is that enough? Should we do one more?
Yeah.
Ready? We're gonna use the white flour too. Honey, we probably need to get more flour from the store. We just use it all. Okay.
I wrote it.
Is it silly? Go for it like that. Whoa, let me just see you walk around. Okay, that's a little water. Keep on the whole thing. Oh yeah, now it's
Whoa, did you do eggs?
Not yet. It's looking pretty good. Wowzers. I think we need more water.
Mom, can we do the eggs?
Yeah, we can do the eggs.
Awesome.
It won't taste very yummy. It'll taste like dough. All right, here's the eggs though.
Get off of me.
It's okay. Here, we're getting dirty. It's okay right now.
Crack it.
Usually somebody goes like this. You go, top, crack.
You can crack it with your hands though.
Put it on top of here like this. Watch. Oh wait.
No, just have him crack it with his hands. Crush it.
You're really
just crush
hard.
it with your hands.
Oh yeah. Try to squish it real hard with your.
There
Oh
you
yeah.
go.
Good job. That was your first egg you've ever cracked. All right, put the shell to the side.
Can I eat some?
That won't taste yummy.
Oh.
That's an eggshell. We don't eat eggshells. Well, maybe we should leave it in. It's kind of yucky.
Mom, can I have pancakes today?
You want pancakes now after making all this? All right, here you go.
Getting hungry?
More water.
That's my hand.
Do you want to mix it with your hands? Look at this waffle mix, Harrison. Look at my hands.
Two.
Whoa, good one. Oh boy. Dunk it in there. Dunk the waffles in the waffles.
Yeah?
Yeah, turn it. Yeah, put it, fill it up. Say thanks, Rejuvenator.
Thank you.
That's good enough.
Thanks, Rejuvenator.
Thanks, you neighbor.
Wow. Okay, that's enough. That's enough syrup. We don't want. Oh, it's all gone.
No, not yet.
You want to eat them?
Yeah.
I don't think these ones are gonna be yummy. Oh, it's gonna taste like batter. So we did it. The Rejuvenator challenge is done. I'm gonna let these things dry out and then ship these off. If you guys want to see the finished results, go over to Rejuvenator's channel and you can see what they do to clean these things up. Good luck, Rejuvenator.
Get all the way in.
Mom, can I go get this one?
Yeah.
More,
You're gonna have to.
can I have some syrup?
No, Harrison.
Why? Yucky, those are yucky, those are yucky. I want bubbles. I want bubbles.
These things weigh like 1,000 pounds. These are gonna be so hard to clean. Waffles. That double tongue action doesn't help these things. It holds the waffle quite well. Alright, final product to send over to Rejuvenator. Look at these waffles. Holy Toledo. Have fun cleaning these things, guys. They look like a sculpture. This is crazy. I don't know if they're gonna be able to beat this challenge, but the waffles. Pretty expensive experiment.